Are you looking for new ways to generate more leads and drive more sales? Do you think your marketing strategy could conquer the universe at a price that won't blow your budget? Introducing GetResponse Pro, the all-in-one lead gen platform created for businesses like yours. Email marketing, landing pages, and webinars integrated into one for your online success. Use the powerful list builder apps to grow your audience base up to 5,000 subscribers. Create unlimited landing pages and schedule webinars. Then promote them with unlimited newsletters and social media to generate new leads and engage current customers. Build content-packed drip campaigns to keep them interested. Follow up with dedicated sales offers. Connect with your audience during webinars of up to 100 users. Boost sales decisions with action-based autoresponders. Top marketing solutions working together in one place to give you more leads, conversions, and sales. Sounds amazing, but wouldn't it cost a small fortune if you tried to build it on your own with other available solutions? Let's do the math. Landing pages from Lead Pages, $79. Webinars from GoToWebinar, $89. Email marketing from Aweber, $49. $217 a month? No thanks. So how about a 25% discount? $162.75? No good? 50% off? $108.50? No? $99? Most people would say that's a killer price. But wait, guess what? At GetResponse, it's now $49 a month for life. It just can't get any lower. Get more leads, conversions, and sales with GetResponse Pro. Get it now.